Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna teach you how to get stay home filter on Instagram. So guys, first of all what you have to do is you have to go to Google Play Store and then you have to update your Instagram. So after updating your Instagram, let's go to Instagram account, and then guys, what you have to do here I will show you. Now you have to click on the top left of your screen here on the camera icon, and then guys, what you have to do here is like you have to scroll on the left side of your screen, fully left of your screen, and then you can see here this option. Just click here and then you will find, you can see here, stay home, try our favorite effect from your code. So just click on view effect, and then you can see here stay home. Just click here and then just click to try. So now let me just, now you have to hold and press the. So this is how you can get stay home filter on Instagram. Thanks for watching.